Hello friends, welcome back to Ftopreview.com. Just open your dialer application or phone application. Okay, then you can see there is a number suspected spam like this number. I need to block this number. So you can easily block any number from the call list like missed call dial number. Just tap on that number. Then you can see block this number option is here. Tap on it. Now the number is blocked, but you cannot unblock that number from here. If you need to unblock that number, then you have to go to the settings. Tap on three buttons like this, then select the settings. Okay, and also there is it's an option for show blocked calls. That means can easily hide and show the block calls. Okay, after opening settings, you can see the first option is block numbers. So there is two numbers. Okay, we are last added that 004 number. So we can easily remove from that number from here. Tap on this minus button, so you can easily delete that number. And also you can add any contacts from here, and also you can add any one mobile number from here. Okay, you can add contacts like 3 steps. Also you can block unknown calls from unknown calls. That means the phone automatically block all unknown numbers. Okay, sometimes it's also block some unsaved contact numbers, so you can you don't need, you can easily control that. Okay guys, this is the settings. So you can easily add any numbers to block list in 3 ways from the call list, like dial number, missed call, received calls. And second thing, go to the settings, then type the number manually. Otherwise you can choose a particular contact from the contact list. Okay guys, that's it. So one of the very simple video. You can if you need any kind of any Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post your replies as videos, so you can easily watch. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.